If you've ever wondered how to check your Epic Games coupons, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to find your available coupons on the Epic Games website so you can see what discounts you have before you buy anything. This is a super useful tip if you grab games during sales and want to make sure you're not missing out on savings. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the coupons you want to check. This is important because if you're signed into the wrong account, your coupons may not appear at all. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you can access your account-related options. From the menu, look for the coupon section and click it. Epic Games stores your available coupons here, so this is the main place you need to check. Once the coupons page loads, you should be able to view your available coupons and see what discounts are currently active on your account. Depending on your account and any current promotions, you may see one or more coupons listed there. Take a moment to review the details carefully. Check the coupon value, any minimum purchase requirements, and the expiration date if it's shown. That way, you know exactly how and when to use it. If you're planning to buy a game soon, this is the best time to confirm whether a coupon can help lower the price. And that's really all there is to it. To quickly recap, go to the Epic Games website, click your profile icon in the top right corner, open the coupon section, and view your available coupons. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.